Imagine you walk into a friend's house and feel instantly cozy with their warm orange walls. Then, at your relative's place, you are swept away by the calming blue tones that whisper serenity. And yet, in another home, bold red walls grab your attention with their passion. You have felt the power of colors, each one stirring up a different feeling. But when it is time to pick color for your own space, it's like trying to find your way through a maze. Why is it so tricky to choose the right colors for your home in a world full of possibilities? Don't worry. In this series, I will talk about the color psychology, which will help you to choose the color as per your liking and the way you want to create your moods. In this first part, we will explore the primary colors blue, yellow, and red, each offering endless possibilities for your expressions. Let's begin. My name is Anjali. I'm an architect and interior designer by education. Blue is renowned for its calming and serene qualities, making it ideal for creating tranquil spaces. Softer shades induce a sense of relaxation. Perfect for bedroom, study room, kids' room, and meditation room. Darker blues, while still calming, are best used sparingly, such as on accent walls to promote focus and mental clarity. However, be cautious not to overwhelm a space with too much dark blue, as it can evoke feeling of sadness. While blue soothes with its calming qualities, yellow bursts with joy, happiness, and boundless energy. Yellow has the power to uplift moods and bring warmth to any space. Softer pastel yellows can create a soothing atmosphere when applied to entire room like bedrooms and bathrooms. Meanwhile, darker shades of yellow work well as accent walls in living rooms, adding a touch of friendliness and warmth to the space. Yellow is particularly effective in areas with limited natural light, such as corridors. Also, it can be used in children's play areas, kitchens, and gyms, where it can infuse the room with energy and brightness. Finally, we embrace the fiery passion of red. Red, known for its ability to stimulate energy, passion, and creativity. Red is a powerful color choice for creating excitement and fostering conversation. As fashion designer Valentino once remarked, red should be used with the same care and intention as gold when furnishing a house. In home decor, red can be utilized as an accent wall to inject energy into a space, making it an ideal choice for living room and activity rooms. Its revitalizing properties make it popular in social settings such as clubs, bars, and dance rooms where high energy is desired. Today we have explored the captivating world of primary colors, each one painting a unique mood in our homes. But as we close this chapter, remember, it's just the beginning. Stay tuned for our next episode where we unravel secondary and neutral colors, unlocking even more possibilities for your dream space. But wait, there is more. Explore the world of color with my courses, all about interior decoration and paint on walls and varnish on wood in interior design. I'm sure these will be of value add. The links are given in the description box below. Thanks for joining me on this colorful adventure. Take care, and until next time, keep dreaming in color.